Hi, I'm Shari Berkowitz of the Vertical Workshop. Today, I'd like to give you a gentle reminder to clean your apparatus. And I don't mean just the mat part, because that I think gets clean in your studios. But it's the rails of your reformers. Hey, don't forget that a lot of hair, clothing debris, skin debris gets caught and or drops off of your clients. I know that sounds gross, but it's the truth, and it gets all caught and captured in your rails. So with a cloth and your regular spray, give it a spray down and give it a wipe. Get into the crevices, get your vacuum cleaner out and get into those crevices. That stuff builds up and you think, oh, it doesn't matter. It does matter. It matters to me when I go to a studio and I see if the studio's rails are clean, or at least relatively clean. That needs to be done. And so I would say at least on a weekly basis, you clean your rails, if not more often than that, if you've got a really busy studio. Now with that too, you know what you could do every day? Yes. You can Swiffer your floors. Oh, I should do an ad for Swiffer. There's, again, hair, skin, clothing debris all over the floors every day that should be swift away. Woo, you've got one of those iRobots and you put that on at the end of the night and it does it for you. Fabulous. But whatever you do, you've got to clean your, not just your mats of your apparatus, but you got to clean the floors and you got to clean the rails and keep a nice clean studio. Indeed, it makes a difference. Now, one little extra hint about cleaning apparatus, and maybe I'm in particular talking about cleaning the footbar. When our clients and even when teachers spray the apparatus, it gets all over the place, and then there's spray all over the floor, and then that picks up the grime, and that is troublesome. So it's handy to indeed spray the cloth and then do the wiping, especially when it comes to the footbar. Spray the cloth. Or I do this little thing where I put my cloth behind the footbar and then I spray and then I wipe with that so that I'm not getting the spray all over the floor, which then becomes not only slippery and a trip hazard, but picks up any kind of dust and then adds to the dirt on your studio floor. So spray the rails and clean the rails, wipe them down, spray a cloth to wipe down things so that the spray doesn't get all over the floor. And if you've got hard floors, yep, you got a Swift. And if you've got carpet, even more so, you've got to get that vacuumed up and as often as is possible. And then with that, should you clean your floors and clean your carpets too? You absolutely should. Yes, there's a lot of responsibility in having a studio, whether it's a small one in your house or if it's a commercial space. And part of that is cleaning. Yeah, be respectful to your clients and to yourself and clean it all up. Right on.